Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove space between text in Squarespace. If you've ever felt like your text lines are too spread out and want to tighten things up for a cleaner, more compact look, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it using custom CSS. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your main dashboard where you can see all your sites and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to remove the space between text. This opens up the editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now focus on the left side menu and click on Website. Under this option, you'll see a list of submenus, and from there, click on Pages. This section allows you to manage the structure and content of your site. But we're going to dive a bit deeper into the styling options. Next, focus again on the left side menu and look for Custom CSS. Click on it, and under it, you'll see Custom Pages. Click on that option. This is where the magic happens because Custom CSS gives you full control over the spacing, fonts, colors, and layout of your text elements. Now here's where you'll make the actual adjustment. For this tutorial, I'm working with paragraph text, so I'll use the tag P. In the custom CSS field, type P and then input curly bracket line hyphen height colon space 18px semicolon close curly bracket. This code directly controls the spacing between lines of text in your paragraphs. You can absolutely customize this to fit your needs. If you're working with headers instead of paragraphs, just replace P with H1, H2, H3, or whichever header level you're using, all the way up to H6. You can also adjust the 18px value to any number that suits your design. A smaller number will bring the lines closer together, while a larger number will add more space. And that's it. You've just removed or adjusted the space between text in Squarespace using custom CSS. This simple tweak can make a big difference in how polished and professional your site looks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.